Howdy, y'all. Dale here from Old Southern Kitchen and Garden, and today we are doing a very special harvest and taste. Now, what makes today's harvest and taste so special? Well, today's harvest and taste will be on the single seed plant of this year. Our little hillbillies have finally grown up into big hillbillies. So, let me get everything set up, and we'll be right back to give those single seed challenge hillbilly tomatoes a try. Okay, y'all, we're back. So, as I said, today we're going to be doing a harvest and taste on the hillbilly tomato, which was my single seed plant of the year. So, let me give you a little rundown and description on this. It says the West Virginia heirloom is I don't have my glasses on, stunning bicolor. Okay, we're not. I'm going to turn it around so you can get it because y'all, old age sucks. But if you can read that, I'm going to give you a chance to get a little description of that tomato since my dumb self didn't bring my glasses and my phone's on the charger. So anyway, there, if you can freeze it, whatever, get you a description of it. I made the mistake of cutting this beautiful tomato before showing it to y'all whole because y'all, I'm totally excited about this. This is my single seed challenge plant of the year. So I'm like ready to bust into this, and I promise I didn't try this off camera. You know, this is the first time I'm getting it. So y'all are gonna get my real reaction to what I've spent so much time and effort on and trying. So anyway, enough talking. Let's taste. Y'all, that's got a different little taste to it. I mean, it it tastes kind of like a tomato, but not really like a tomato, if that makes any sense. So we're gonna in a good way, y'all. Now let's give this one a try with salt and pepper. Okay, y'all, that's a good tomato. I did well on the one I chose to pick this year as the single seed challenge plant. That's a very good tomato. Definitely a thumbs up. Definitely something I'd try growing again. Now, is it a super sweet tomato? No. Is it a sour tasting tomato? No. It really, I don't know how to describe it because it's kind of like a tomato, but there's a whole different taste I can't describe. So I really wish Chuck was here to give y'all a second opinion. Chuck is actually here, but he's out fixing something. My water spigot thing in the garden blew up. But because this is such a good tomato with a unique taste, we are going to quickly pause so I can make him give y'all a second opinion. So hold on 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I ran outside, got Chuck, made him come in. He's standing off camera because, as I said, he's out there fixing the water spigot in the yard. And he said, y'all can't handle him with all his hillbilly sexiness and sweaty dirtiness in his wife beater. So I handed him a piece of tomato. We're going to let him taste it, and you can hear what he has to say about it.
It has a really fruity taste. It's not overtly tomato.
Told y'all.
It's really good.
See, I told y'all that it was really good and that it had this weird taste where it kind of didn't taste like a tomato. So,
It's very meaty, as you can see, but with all of the juice rings, it's really juicy too. So, I mean, it would be a very good tomato to cook with because you could add spices to basically make whatever you want out of it. I bet you it'd make a really good tomato jam.
Yep, so there you go. You got his opinion, you got mine. I say it's really good. Tastes not necessarily like a tomato, so if you don't like tomatoes, try this one. If you do like tomatoes, like me, you'll still like this because it is a tomato, but it has this weird kind of non-tomato taste, which Chuck says is fruity, and maybe that's what I'm not picking up on. And Chuck likes it too, so that's a thumbs up for you.
That's a definite thumbs up.
That's 2 thumbs up, guys. So thanks for stopping by and listening to us ramble again and partaking in this very special, harvest and taste. And again, this was the Hillbilly Tomato. Y'all take care. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we will talk at you on the next video.
Bye, guys.